Not every act of faith is remembered. Not every act is seen. Some are small, quiet, easily overlooked, and yet Jesus said even these matter. In Matthew 10, Jesus speaks about something simple. He says that anyone who gives even a cup of cold water in his name will not lose their reward. Not a great sacrifice, not a dramatic act, just a cup of water, offered with care, just a simple gift. A cup of water is easy to miss. It takes only a moment to give, and only a moment to receive. It may not change the world, but in that moment, it changes something for someone. We often believe that faith must be visible to be meaningful, that it must be impressive, recognized, celebrated. But Jesus points to something smaller, something quieter, something easily forgotten by others. God sees differently. He sees the moment when kindness is offered, when care is given, when love appears in simple form. Nothing offered in love is ever invisible to him. Faith is often lived quietly, in small gestures, in ordinary moments. A word of encouragement, a moment of patience, a simple act of care. These things matter more than we realize. If your faith feels small, if your kindness feels unnoticed, if your quiet acts seem to disappear, they do not disappear. God sees them. Every small act matters. Jesus reminds us that faith is not measured by size. It is measured by love. A cup of cold water, a small act, a quiet offering. Every small act matters. Remember, small acts matter.